Hello, and welcome to day 2 of centering your breath. In this 10-minute guided meditation, I'm going to take you through methods and systems to help you connect with your life force, your breath. Before we begin, start by settling into a comfortable position and allow your eyes to close or keep them open, but with a softened gaze. Begin by taking several long, slow, deep breaths, breathing in fully and exhaling fully. In and out. In and out. Constantly return to your direct experience of feeling your body breathe. Try to remember you are training the mind to be at one, to give you an experience without distraction, without judgment. Find a comfortable position for your body. I often recommend sitting, as it helps keep the body awake and energized. You can also try lying flat on your back in a semi-supine position with the knees pointing to the sky. Or you can stand. As you settle into a position that suits you, just refocus to your breath, to your life force, without distraction, without judgment. As you're breathing, you may notice a little tightness, maybe around the eyes. Allow your eyes to relax, and if they are open, to just rest onto one spot. If they are closed, then allow your eyelids to rest, without tension, without force. As you practice centering your breath, the idea is for us to minimize distractions. So in doing so, bring your awareness to the abdomen. Relax the muscles there. See if you can feel the natural rise and fall that occurs when we breathe. Imagine the body is breathing itself. From the navel round to the obliques, notice the movement that occurs with each breath that you take. Whilst focusing there, take a few deep breaths and explore how it feels deep within you. Move your awareness up to your chest. As you inhale, tune into the expansion of the lungs and the rising of the chest. As you exhale, feel the contraction and the movement. You may notice a slight tickle at the tip of the nose as you breathe in. You may notice the breath is slightly warmer on the way out. Rest your awareness on the body, breathing slowly in and out. The great teacher Goraksasathakam said, "When the breath is unsteady, all is unsteady. When the breath is still, all is still." Control the breath carefully. Inhalation gives strength and a controlled body. Retention gives steadiness of mind and longevity. Exhalation purifies body and spirit. In the modern age, our purity is often challenged by emails pinging, colleagues phoning, and the world of social media. We are pulled away from ourselves constantly, and when this happens over and over again, we often break. whether that's feeling tearful, just too exhausted to do anything, or overly stressed, the more you are pulled, the more you will feel this way. By returning to the breath when we need to, we are taking back our control, our life force. As this meditation comes to an end, try to remember, when life feels unsteady, you have stillness within you. Keep your eyes closed and begin to notice the sounds around you. Feel the floor beneath you. Feel your clothes against your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Shrug your shoulders. Open your eyes. And just remain sitting for a few moments longer. Well done on completing day 2 of the Centering the Breath meditation series. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Have the most wonderful day, and see you again.